ready to unleash your global talent and earn big. This guide is all about getting paid on Upwork. Upwork connects freelancers with global clients, and getting paid is easy. Let's uncover the simple process of receiving your hard-earned money. Upwork offers diverse payment methods to suit you. Choose from options like direct deposit, Payoneer, PayPal, and more. Select the method that aligns with your location and preferences during account setup. Configuring your payment details is simple on Upwork. In your profile settings, navigate to the payment or financial section. Provide your chosen payment method details, ensuring accuracy. Upwork provides clear instructions for each step. Double-check all input information to avoid payment delays. Upwork typically releases payments after a project milestone is approved or the job is completed. Payment frequency depends on the project type and your client's payment schedule. Always clarify payment terms with your client upfront. Keep in mind your earnings vary on Upwork. They depend on your rates, hours worked, and job success. The harder you work and the higher your rate is, the larger your earnings are likely to be. To ensure smooth payment process, make sure you take time to double-check that all the right information is entered in your account settings. Conveniently, you can monitor your earnings history, review invoices, and manage your tax records on the dashboard. With these simple payment methods and focused work, you'll be on your way to building a successful freelance career. Subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell for more money-making tips.